Hi, people of YouTubes. This is us playing Minecraft for no reason whatsoever.
At the moment, I'm in a house, and Algie's probably. Oh my god, there's a lot of
I've...
apples up here.
What the fuck are you?
Are you
I'm by
outside
like
the
a tunnel. There's a yeah, there's a dirt house,
Get
some
inside the dirt house
sandstone.
and sleep. The bird's protected.
Wait, there's a sandstone building, is this the one? Yeah, it's got a door
Oh, you spawned over there, okay.
and
Yeah.
a tunnel.
Get
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
get in there and sleep.
That's
See a
good,
bed.
that's good as
Okay.
well. I'm very far away from him right now. I might have to come and get you, Algie.
Yawn. Can you just teleport me?
Yeah,
Are you in a bed? Get in bed.
I'm in a bed now. I had to spawn one. By cheating.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Alright.
Oh, there's a chest here with random shit in it.
Is there... How much wood is there in there?
In there?
Yeah.
There is... Oh fuck. None. There's no wood at all.
Type /spawn and see if it brings you where I need it to bring you.
It's not going to tell me I'm forbidden from... Oh, fucking hell.
What?
You don't have permission to do that.
Okay, wait, let's try this again.
Are those... Oh my god, slimes. Babby slimes.
Really?
Yeah, down here. Teleport to me.
Oh, you're not off. That's
Oh, maybe that's a bad idea. Now I'm opt. I'm alright now. Oh, they're so cute. Seriously, this is amazing.
I teleported. Oh my god, Babby Slime's got in.
Look. Oh, loads of them. Like 3.
Are they hurting you?
No, I just want to give them hugs. I'm not sure. I think, like, if they're a certain size. Otherwise, they just sort of push you around annoyingly.
I don't think Babby Slimes can hurt you.
No. Should I kill one? Get some...
No, because they might, like... Then they might start attacking. I don't know.
Like, get their
I've never really
vengeance.
encountered slimes before.
Well, they're adorable. They follow you. So, you can, like, take them with you.
Okay.
We should make, like, a... We could have, like, parties, you know? We could have, like, slimes and wolves.
Well, when you say slimes, it sounds a bit like a kind of drug. The way you said it.
Slimes.
Yeah, it could be. Okay, there's like...
How could that be a drug?
I don't know, okay.
Have some slimes, some heroin.
Okay, we need to like get a boat and go over where I need to go.
Shit, I've got those slimes following me now. Can they get up ladders? I don't think they can.
I hope they can't, but they can just fly upwards, can't they?
Oh my god, they can go up ladders. That is amazing.
Oh wait, what am I doing?
God.
I have so much wood.
Oh, I'm just shutting the door so they can't get out. They'll be waiting patiently.
No, that's not what she said. That would
What
be
did she say? I'll jump around waiting for you. You joined.
boing.
Boing. So, where is everything?
It's quite far away. Is the easy answer to that.
Oh, that's a great description of where it is. Do you have any wood for a boat? I'll just go get some of this tree.
I have loads of wood. I have loads and loads of wood.
Alright, vomit some it.
He said. Not what she said.
Yeah, why would she say that, Shanik? That would just be strange.
If she was you, after all, we know how you like to be a girl.
Shut up. Don't tell YouTube people about that, Shanik. They can't know.
You're like part of the Illuminati, aren't you?
What the fuck? Where the fuck did that come from?
Oh shit.
Shits. Fuck.
That was really loud. I don't have a sword on me.
Wait, I'll distract him. I'll distract him and pull him into the sea. Fuck. Oh shit, all the slimes are down. All the slimes will escape. Not. Oh shit, oh thank god. Oh no!
What?
No, the Babby slimes died. Well, 2 of them did.
There's like a huge slime though. Or is it still Babby? I can't tell.
Yeah, it's still Babby.
Okay, we need to rebuild my house. That's more important.
Yeah, let's fix this first, so the slimes don't escape. Okay. Oh, fucking hell, get back in there. Get back in there, you slime. Oh, god, he's escaped. Oh, well. He'll be like a friendly pet.
Okay.
I suppose, sort of.
I literally can't move. Okay, now I can.
Do you have any sandstone on you?
No, but you should have loads of sand. Just craft into sandstone.
Alright. Wait, let me just sort of fix this hole a bit.
I don't want to spawn it.
And don't spawn it, no one's making you spawn it.
I won't. I'm just saying.
Alright, I've got one.
Okay, that's enough.
I don't know. Have you got enough for some blocks? We need about
I've got 2 blocks,
7. We need 7.
okay. Do we?
Yep. Hey,
Oh yeah, we do. We need the top ones.
that's right. Someone just came in. Said hello.
Okay. I think there's like a spade here in my chest. There's just a random slime ball.
Where's the Babby slime gone?
Can
Did
you
he
drop
not?
slime balls?
I think you can, yeah.
Okay.
Because there's like virtually no point to them. So
Yeah. Your voice is really high there.
yeah, it's because my throat went a bit weird. I don't know why.
Okay.
Got a bit of a cold.
This is normally my single player world, which is why I have no items.
Ah, I see. Right, that makes sense.
Well, one of my single player worlds.
So I guess we should fix this before we leave.
Yeah, I have like loads of. I mean, I have a spade so I can get. I'm not a dwarf and I'm not digging out. Okay,
I have 2. There.
that should be enough. I think.
Right.
Is that sand or sand?
Yeah, that was sand.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's not very helpful.
No. I have. Wait, what the fuck? Somehow my 2 sand I vomited went like behind me.
I just need one more. Get me. Do you have a piece of sandstone?
Wait, let me just get you some sand.
It's alright. I got enough. Just.
Why? You bastard, Shanik. That's his name, by the way, Shanik. If anyone wants to
Rape me.
find out his address and rape him, yeah, his name's Shanik. My name's Algie. If you're interested in raping me,
192.com is
I probably won't, you know.
our address if you want to. Yeah.
Excuse me? What is this? I didn't even. What?
I found a barrel.
God.
I found that barrel on the gadget show. Just follow me, okay?
Shit, my boat went with. Alright, following you.
Don't break your boat while you're going here because it's really far. Like, it's far enough that I couldn't see it until I went out to find some wolves a while ago.
Right.
Now it's starting to render for me.
I see like a redstone torch or something. Oh wait, no, it's a flower. So it's a redstone torch.
Okay, now I've pretty much got it. Whoa, it just jumped for me.
Yeah. There's a big world hole just there. And now there's one over there. And it's scary.
Whoa.
Oh, this is really cool. Is it where that cobblestone is?
How can you see cobblestone and I can't?
It's like a little tower of cobblestone, isn't it?
Oh, right, yeah. You probably have it on full screen and I don't.
Ah, right.
That's my 2 boats.
Wait, how are you recording it then if it's not on full screen?